Hi, welcome to my channel from Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you already subscribed to my channel, thanks for coming back to watch this video. If you are not yet subscribed, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to want to subscribe to my channel. I like to do Dollar Tree hauls, different hauls from different stores. I like to do some crafting. Today I have some friend mail, and I have a package that I won on the Happycrafters channel, Lisa. I just love her channel. She is so amazing. Her crafts are so amazing. She's just so talented. And she is where I learned about, I do believe I learned about In Love Arts from her, from Lisa. And I also believe that I learned about Life's Craft from Lisa's dyes and things that she used. So she had a hidden giveaway on her channel. I'm sorry, I thought that was thunder. It was a jet or something. And if you hear something crazy, that's my puppy. She's over there in the corner of my craft room, snoring. But anyway, at least this was a hidden giveaway, and I won this from her channel. And also, and I will link her channel because I know that you will enjoy her channel if you enjoy paper crafting and just crafting. And she has it's the Happycrafter Shop. I may be wrong on that name, but I will try. I don't know if I can link that in my description. I will try to link out in my description her Instagram craft shop. I just placed an order with her. Some cute things. Oh, she sells the cutest little things on her shop. It says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Oh, so cute. I know it will because she is so crafty. I love her stuff. I love everything she makes. Everything. Let's see if I can keep from, and this, I know there's a lot of shadows going on here, and I didn't know what to do about that, so I just watched a video. So I have an umbrella coming to do away some of those shadows. So, oh, look how pretty. Oh, that is so beautiful. And it says, congratulations on your winnings. Enjoy, hugs, Lisa, Happycrafter. Got a little lipstick and a sparkle. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So I knew that I won this because this is so precious. This is like a little ephemera book that she made. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this flower here. Oh gosh, just amazing. The little gems there. Little pocket here. So cute. And she's got little hearts in here. Some little hearts in here. Oh, these are so pretty. I don't want to take them out of there. Oh, look. These little heart gems. Oh, they're so pretty. See, how do you just use these things? How do you use them? I don't know. If I buy them, I can use them. But if you guys send them, I don't want to use them. Oh, look at those pretty butterflies. This is so precious. Look at the little scissors. It says create. We're just not going to take those out of there. The little bows are so cute. See if you can see those. So cute. Oh, the little flowers. Little gold leaves. And some beautiful butterflies. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. That is gorgeous. And this book, I just want to learn how to make these little books. It's so beautiful. Okay. And then these little coffees that she made. And this coffee comes with a die, or with a die. It is a die. That cute bow. And then this sleeve comes off. And then you open this here. It's so precious. So precious. This is so, and this is like embossed here. This paper. And then like she said, you could add a little note in here. Inside here, a little note to somebody. Well, you could roll up like a $5 bill and send it for a Starbucks coffee instead of a gift card. Oh no, oh my gosh. Look at the little clay pieces. Oh wow. This wasn't supposed to be part of the giveaway. So this is something extra. Thank you so much, Lisa. I love them. I love the collars. They're so pretty. Look at the bow. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you. And then here's some more of the coffees. Oh, look at the flowers she has on there. And the thread. These are just gorgeous. I just love them. Oh. Let's see. I don't want to squish anything. How has she packed all this in here so neatly? And then this says happy. That one says smile. These little flowers. I love them. She's just so creative. Oh, look at these little. Oh, I love this paper and I just love these collars. These are so cute. Looky inside. Oh, she put little butterflies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just love it. Look at just how everything just goes together. Love those little bows. I love bows. This one says yay. Gabby. Yay, Gabby. The little bow. Oh, this has this string around it. Like this string here. It's on here. I have a roll of silver here someplace. This that is such a good idea. How pretty is that? Can you see that? Let me see. See the string on there? Oh my goodness. They're so adorable. Oh, look at some more little butterflies. Oh, so precious. Oh my goodness, Lisa. Thank you so much. I just love every little thing. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I need this die right here. This is too cute. I gotta go get this die off her channel and get this die. I want this one so bad. And this little coffee cup, I'm not gonna close that. I'm just gonna leave it for now. This little coffee cup is so cute, and that's just good for, like I said, if you want to send somebody a little thank you gift, like a little $5 for a Starbucks coffee. Can you even get a Starbucks coffee for $5 anymore? I haven't been there for a while. Well, you can buy your coffee and I'll buy your croissant for $5, I guess. I don't know. So it's so super cute. I love everything. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you. See, how can you even open this? I don't. Oh, it's too pretty to even open. Thank you so much. I love everything. I love your channel. I just love watching you work and do things. Well, she also showed how to make these bows, and I am going to sit down and do these bows because I cannot. I want to enter her challenge, and I'm going to try, but I don't know how to make any bows besides paper bows. And she's got a challenge going on right now, and there's a few different things you can do, and I didn't realize that. I wasn't going to enter because I thought you had to make some different type of bows, but I listened again, and you can send some paper, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do a VR. So but I will link her channel, and but she has a video where she makes these bows and you sew the bows. They're so cute. So cute. Okay. And so this card comes from Cindy N. I don't know where my letter opener is. We all know who Cindy N is. She supports a lot of your channels, a lot of these channels. Says thank you. Hi Sharon, thank you so much for the giveaway winnings. I'm so sorry this is so late. Hope you are doing well. Love, hugs, and blessings, Cindy N. Cindy says, God bless our postal worker. This pretty sticker here. Her card. Cindy, thank you so much for the card, and you're just so welcome. Thank you for entering my challenge. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this video. I hope you enjoyed looking at Lisa's giveaway winnings and the Cindy's card, thank you card, and Lisa's giveaway prizes, my winnings from Lisa's channel. So yeah, check her channel out. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Thank you so much. I hope y'all have a great evening. I don't think I'm going to be posting any more videos before Mother's Day. So I hope everybody has a great Mother's Day. To those missing their mothers, I'm so sorry. And I just hope and pray that you guys have a good weekend yourselves. Thank you all so much. Thank you.